guys, welcome to another video. I've got a really exciting one today. I'm so excited to try these. So I've been sent a parcel from Kredioo, which is a store on Amazon, and they've sent the nail art gel. So these are liner gels. You get a 5ml, 12 colours. Wait until you see these colours, guys. There's some amazing colours in this kit. So inside the box we have got the instruction manual. That's snazzy, isn't it? Look at that. We've got nail prep, gel paint application, gel remove application, Q&As, tips, warning, storage. Then we've got Krediyoo's email address. I shall leave the link to Krediyoo's Amazon store in my description box below, so you can go over and check out some of their products. And I'll also leave the link for these as well. And you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen I've got a discount code for them as well, which is NailsGG10. Don't forget to use that to save yourself a massive 10% off. So these are the liner gels. Look at these. There's some really cool colours, guys. Really cool colours. So I'm going to show you a few different things what you can do with these, so you can see what all the colours look like. But I just want to show you a few different designs what you can do with these liner gels, because they're so versatile. So I've pulled out this tip, and I think the first thing that I want to do is a French tip nail bed. So I'm going to use colour L29, which is a beautiful nude colour. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. And then the tip I'm going to do, wait until you see this gold, guys. So this gold is colour L34. Wait until you see this. Look at that. It's like metallic. It's so pretty. Oh, I really like these guys. They're so pigmented. Look at that. Full coverage. Love that. Give that a cure. So on this one, we're going to do a swirly pattern. The first colour I'm going to use is L35. Wait until you see this one. This, again, is a gorgeous metallic. Hee.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
Look at that colour, guys. That is so beautiful. I love that. Give that a cure. And we're going to use the silver, which is L36.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew,
Give that one a cure. And then we're going to use the green, which is L31. Then pop that one in the lamp to cure. Now I'm using that nude colour again, colour L29, and I'm just going to show you that you can use these as a full cover colour as well. You don't have to use them just as liner gels. These are super pigmented, guys. I love how pigmented these are. Look at that for one coat. Perfect coverage. So I've gone over that tip with a matte top coat because I'm going to be doing some artwork on this nail. So I'm using colour L32, which is this beautiful metallic green, and I'm going to paint half a butterfly. Oh, look at that green, guys. Love that. It's so pretty. I cannot believe how pigmented they are. So I'm going to give that a cure. And give that a quick cure. This one, we're going to do half a love heart. We've got colour L26. Wait until you see this one, guys. This is a super bright pink. And the lamp to cure. We've got L27. Cure that. L28.
there's songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you want
Cure that. And then lastly, I'm going to use colour L33. That's beautiful, isn't it? I like that a lot. So I'm going to give that a quick cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. There we are, guys. That is the Kredioo liner gels. I really enjoyed using them. They're super pigmented as well. Every single one of them is really, really opaque. I will be doing a design with these very soon, guys. I just wanted to show you a few different things that you can do with them today. I do think that if I wanted a super fine, intricate line, I would use my Kredioo liner brush still, because that brush is amazing for fine lines. But for anything thicker than that, yeah, these are perfect. And I like that you haven't got to clean your brush off between colours. It's just so much quicker and easier to pull these out. And I can't believe how pigmented they are. Every single one of them is really, really opaque. Full coverage in one coat. So it's nice that you haven't got to go over them lines again because they're not pigmented enough. Yeah, I like them. So I'm going to leave the link to these in my description box below, along with the Kredioo store link as well. Like I said earlier, I've got a 10% off discount code, which is NailsGG10. Remember to use that at checkout. I want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending these for us to have a look at. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you would. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.